Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has said that 7-decade-long resistance movement against India's illegal military occupation provides an ample proof that the people of Jammu and Kashmir have never accepted New Delhi's false claim on the territory. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said this in response to the assertions made by Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, wherein he boasted that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. The spokesman termed the remark as a cruel joke which betrays the ignorance of the Indian Defence Minister about the history of Kashmir and added that huge quantum of sacrifices have not been offered by Kashmiris to be part of India but to break the shackles of Indian forcible occupation of their motherland. Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference, Jammu and Kashmir People's League, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League, Jammu and Kashmir Freedom Front, Political Resistance Movement and Islami Tanzim-e-Azadi in their statement said that India had waged a war against unarmed Kashmiri people. They said that Indian troops were committing war crimes by breaking into houses, arresting and killing youth, torturing women, children and elderly and vandalizing properties during the so-called coordinated search operations. They deplored that incidents of extrajudicial killing of youth have increased manifold after the repeal of special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by the fascist Modi government on August 5, 2019. Meanwhile, posters continued to appear in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory, urging the people to forge greater unity to get rid of Indian brutal occupation. The posters read, "If Afghans could not be deterred from winning freedom from foreign occupation, how the people of Kashmir could be enslaved by relatively a weaker colonial power like India." The recent death of a prisoner, reportedly from police torture in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, has raised the alarm bells for the safety of Hurriyat detainees lodged in the jail. Family members and relatives of the detained Hurriyat leaders demanded their immediate shifting from New Delhi to Kashmir Valley. On the other hand, Indian police arrested 4 youth after summoning them to Creedy police station in Baramulla district. Meanwhile, another trooper most probably committed suicide in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Constable Rakesh Kumar, posted with 69th Battalion of BSF, was found dead in Sundarbani area of the district today under mysterious circumstances while on duty. Pakistan has raised serious concern over the media reports about another incident of illegal possession of radioactivity material in India. The spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in a statement in Islamabad said that yet another incident of theft and illicit sale of highly radioactivity material in India is a matter of grave concern for the international community that an extremely rare sealed radioactivity source material like californium could be stolen. In India, the BJP government has further tightened the noose around the Muslims, particularly after the takeover of Afghanistan by Taliban on August 15 this year. Political analysts see the situation for Muslims as the worst in states like Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, which are directly ruled by BJP hardliners. Death of a farmer as a result of police lathi charge in Karnal city of the Indian state of Haryana on Saturday has inflamed tempers among protesting farmers in India. Highways were blocked and effigies of BJP leaders burned across Punjab in protest against the brutal police action. A report released by Kashmir Media Service said that hundreds of farmers have lost their lives since their agitation against 3 farm laws began in November 2020. Experts have termed the new agricultural reforms by Modi government as a death warrant for farmers. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.